Hello everyone and welcome to my video on conditional probability. We are working in 41.1 looking at number 4 on page 597. So let's go through this. As part of the math course, Kate and Rob were required to do a statistical study. They selected a random sample of 80 students from their school. They asked all selected students their grade level 9, 10, 11, 12 and whether or not they had $5 or more with them. The results are shown in the table. Part A wants us to complete the table by entering the total, so that's going to be what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and just add down to find those totals. So we're going to get 21, 19, 26, and 14. Write those in. All right, so all we needed to do there was just add straight down, right? So we get the totals in each grade. Now what we want to do is take a look at this table and try to find each of the probabilities listed in Part B. When you're looking at a conditional probability, when we make probabilities, we end up making a fraction to find the probability. The same thing's going to happen here. Normally, we would put the total of everything in the bottom, and that's going to happen this time, but now the bottom is going to be the total of whatever condition we have, right? How many total things are in that condition? In this case, ninth grade is our condition. So we want to find the probability that that a student has $5 or more given they're in ninth grade, right? So that's kind of where we're at. We're in this ninth grade kind of wheelhouse. So we want the total for ninth graders, which is 21. And then we want $5 or more, right? But only for ninth graders, right? So we're only looking at the ninth graders who have $5 or more. So we'll go ahead and put that in. Okay, so now we have 8 over 21, right? We're making this fraction just like normal probability, but when we make that bottom number, which we want to probably do first, we're looking at whatever the condition is, so ninth grade, so we only wanted the total for the ninth graders. And then when we look at the top, the numerator, we're going to look at that first thing, which is $5 or more. Again, staying within our condition, staying within ninth grade, right? Once I see my condition, I don't want to leave that. And then what we can do is we can round this, and this is approximately 0.38. All right, so the same thing for the next one. We're going to start with the condition, right? We want to say, hey, where am I looking? Where am I stuck? And here we're going to be stuck for ninth graders, right? We're only going to be looking in this, 10th graders. We're only going to be looking in this 10th grade box, right? So I kind of want to focus in on whatever condition I'm given. Right, so 10th grade, there's a total of 19 10th graders. And then again, $5 or more. So only in the 10th graders am I looking for $5 or more, which in this case, there are 9 of them. Right, so 9 out of 19 is about 0.47. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing I just did, but now I want to work in 11th graders, right? That's our new condition. So I'm only really looking in that 11th grade column. I know that there are a total of 26 11th graders, so I can go ahead and put that in my denominator. And it looks like out of those 26, 17 have $5 or more. 17 divided by 26 and then rounded is about 0.65. All right, next question, same thing, but we're changing our condition. Our condition is now, we know that they're definitely a 12th grader, so we're going to go ahead and focus in on that 12th grade area of that table, and the total amount of 12th graders in this case is 14, so that's going to be my denominator. And out of those 12th graders, we know that 11 of them have $5 or more, so 11 out of 14, and that rounds to approximately 0.79. Okay, right, so that's a quick little problem that shows us how to do conditional probability. Again, the main focus is find that condition and focus in on that, right? The bottom is the total of that condition. The top is the event within that condition, right? $5 or more for ninth graders for the first one, for 10th graders for the second one. And then the bottom, we'll answer this part C. It says, since the sample was selected randomly, the students in the sample are likely to be representative of the school as a whole. What do the answers to part B suggest to Kate and Rob about the amounts of money carried by students at the school? It seems like the trend is, the older the student, the more money they have. As you can see, right, the percentages are going up for the amount of people who have $5 or more. Ninth grade was only 38%. 10, 47, 11, 65, and then 12, 79.